Look at Chicago winters. Is this why? No. I'm gonna upload this video. My name is Rosa Barton. I probably changed my screen name or video name, but this is Chicago winters from my apartment. This just started now. Praying for people that's trying to get home in the wintertime. Make sure people get money. That people with big money need to learn how to shovel the sidewalks, shovel and salt sidewalks. Walk. This is Chicago, Illinois. From my apartment up high. And it's kind of bad, but everybody's trying to get home. They're driving slowly. I'm trying to get the focus on it good. See, y'all see. This is panning. This is the best I can do in my apartment. It is cold. It's gonna be a -4, and it's not that serious, you know. Uber's gonna be expensive. Cab gonna be expensive. I'm only walking with a cane. If it's slippery, slick, I'm not coming out tomorrow. It's not that serious. Ain't nobody got money like that in Chicago. Everybody ain't rich in Chicago. They stingy in here. They really selfish in the city. You know, there's only a few people that actually cares about you, but you gotta find them. But this is the first blizzard or snowstorm in Chicago. Now let's pray for these people that's driving, gotta go to work, or they ain't always got money to pay for a condo or anything like that. Cause I don't have a car. I take public transportation unless somebody's gonna come pick me up tomorrow. But if I can't get out, roads are slippery, I'm not going there to work. It's not that serious. This is Chicago's job. First winter in Chicago. Trying to see if I can do it right. First video, probably kind of bad, but this is the best video I can do. Okay.